scrotum and the testis inside it. And this testis has had the side taken off. If we could look with a microscope inside there, we'd see seminiferous tubules. Those little straight structures are not them. The penis, of course, and this is the glans penis. The glans penis has a rim on the back of it called a corona, and that corona, get this off, excuse me ladies. Alrighty. On the back of it, the corona does not shut up, does not quite meet. And so in between this part of the corona and that part is a little strip of flesh called a frenulum. Inside the penis you can see the corpus cavernosum. This is the left one. There's also a right corpus cavernosum. There's only one corpus spongiosum, and it has the urethra running down the middle of it. And this part of the urethra is called the penile or penile or spongy urethra. When you get out of the penis, it becomes the membranous urethra, and that runs through the external urethral sphincter. Before that, it was the prostatic urethra, obviously because it's inside the prostate gland, and the prostatic urethra is what comes out of the bladder. It runs through the internal urethral sphincter, which is smooth muscle, part of the detrusor muscle of the bladder wall. The bladder's got rugae, as well as a spot that lacks rugae. That spot that lacks it is called the trigon. The trigon is a triangle formed by your two ureteral openings. There's one of them, and the urethral opening or orifice. So flipping this guy over gives us a view of his epididymis on the back of the testis, which turns into the vas deferens or ductus deferens. That goes all the way inside the body cavity and joins with the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle, after it adds its secretions, goes through the prostate gland and it adds its secretions. So you can see the little seminal vesicle duct right there, joining the prostate duct right there. Is there anything else on this gentleman I could point out? That's his other corpus cavernosum. That's the other half of his corpus spongiosum. That's his rectum, which gives you a good idea of why doctors want to feel through there to feel of a prostate gland. I shouldn't say they want to, they probably don't want to, but if they do, I don't